Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 E300 4MATIC. This one is a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the luxury line with a luxury exterior and interior Mercedes-Benz hood ornament, 18-inch 5-spoke wheels, black MB text interior with a natural grain black ash wood trim, sunroof, E300 4MATIC badging, power lift gate, comfort box for extra storage, king set of floor mats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This E-Class has 30,558 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.